Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests. Welcome to the first ever Loyola Global Leadership Awards Ceremony 2015, organized by the Loyola Old Boys Association and powered by In Royal Properties. Tonight, we witnessed the launch of an annual Global Leadership Award for the alumni of Loyola School, Trivandrum. The recipient of the first Loyola Global Leadership Award is none other than ace cinematographer Padma Shri Santosh Shivan of the 1976 batch, who became the first director of photography in Asia Pacific to be awarded the prestigious American Society of Cinematographers membership. Friends, it can rightly be said that we are what we are today because of our schooling at Loyola, and for that we have great gratitude. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it, it's like wrapping a present and not giving it. Silent gratitude isn't much use to anyone. So tonight, we will also witness the launch of Loyola Welfare Initiative, a grand and ambitious project that shows that we do care about our teachers and non-teaching staff at Loyola. So it is with great reverence that I stand before you today to welcome the honored and distinguished guests who have graced this occasion by their very presence. We have with us our distinguished chief guest, Sri T.P. Srinivasan Sir, who is a world-renowned diplomat who had started his career as a teacher at Marianus College, Trivandrum. Please join me in welcoming this great teacher and diplomat, Sri T.P. Srinivasan Sir, to this grand occasion. A luminary from among our alumni, the young MLA, Sri Sabrinath of the 2001 batch, is here with us. Kindly join me in welcoming him to this function. In life and work, the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. To this end, Padma Shri Santosh Shivan of the 1976 batch is a true example. Fellow members, please join me in giving him the best of cordial welcomes. From among the leading brands in education, the Jesuits stand foremost in their dedication and consistent commitment to quality education, instilling values, discipline, character, and creativity in their pupils. To these monumental Jesuits, friends, let us raise up a hearty welcome, big and warm enough to hold them all. To all the teachers, serving and retired, who have led us from darkness to light, who still remain our teachers, no matter where or what we are or how old we are. To all of them, please join me in extending a warm and wholehearted welcome. The uncles of Loyola, the non-teaching staff, they held my hand in school when I was a toddler. They held my son's hand and saw him through school. Their contribution in our lives have been priceless. Please join me in warmly welcoming the uncles of Loyola to this grand occasion. To have made it possible to have this event in this style and grandeur, we thank the sponsors who have been generous. our major sponsor, In Royal Properties. A warm welcome to Mr. Sunny George, Executive Director of In Royal Properties. A warm and appreciative welcome to the representatives of our co-sponsors, NIMS Hospital, Neyatingara, Ramada Resorts, Alapi, Mr. Sakriya George, SUT Hospital, Trivandrum, Chaitanya Eye Hospital, Mr. Padma Kumar of Pen Paul, Trivandrum. I heartily welcome Mr. Sumesh Lal and his team of artists who will be ensuring that this evening is made memorable. To all the members of the Loba family who have made a huge effort to join us today, we are deeply appreciative and offer you our most grateful welcome. Now friends, prepare yourself to be challenged, excited and inspired by today's proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have stars in the sky and in this hall, and I am honored to have had the opportunity to welcome some of the brightest the world has seen. It's a pleasure to see so many of you. A big welcome to all and thank you.